So the purpose of this video is to learn how to factor a quadratic trinomial. It's not that bad, it's not that difficult. We did it in class today. This video is just to help you review how to do it. So you are going to be factoring what we call quadratic trinomials. Alright, so quadratic trinomials, the ones we're going to be factoring, will have an x squared in front, and then plus bx plus c. So b and c are numbers. And what you're going to do in order to factor it is you're going to find two numbers that multiply to c and add to b. And that's how you're going to be able to factor it. So for example, if you were to take x squared plus 5x plus 6 and you wanted to factor that, what you would do first is you would look at the 6 and you would say what multiplies to 6, and the numbers that multiply to 6 are either 1 and 6 and 2 and 3. However, only one of those pairs adds up to 5. So 2 and 3 adds to 5, and it also multiplies to 6. And so we put our answer as x plus 2 and x plus 3. And that's pretty much it. We'll do two more, just kind of certain situations. So here we go. The next example we'll do will be x squared minus 6x minus 16. And so once again you're asking yourself what multiplies to negative 16 and adds to negative 6. So one of them is going to have to be negative, and so two numbers that multiply to negative 16, you could have all kinds, but the best one would be negative 8 and positive 2, because that'll multiply to negative 16 and add to negative 6. So you would write it as x minus 8 and x plus 2. The last example I'll do is when both numbers are negative, just so that you can see when that would occur. And so it would look like this: x squared minus 8x plus 12. And so when you notice a negative in the middle, or in front of b, I guess I should say, when you notice a minus sign there, but then c is positive, that means both of the numbers are going to be negative. So what multiplies to 12 but will add to negative 8, that would be negative 6, so x minus 6, and negative 2, so x minus 2. And that's a quick review on how to factor a quadratic trinomial. See you guys Monday.